Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Install Safe Gallery and grant storage and camera permissions so the app can manage files. Next, create your locked vault and choose a strong PIN or Enable Biometric Unlock. This secures everything inside. Once done, import content immediately. Tap Import, pick folders or single files, and watch the app move or copy them into the vault. Make sure to choose Move if you want originals removed from public storage, because that prevents accidental exposure. You should organize content next so retrieval is fast and safe. Create albums, add tags, and place items into custom folders. Then configure security, enable auto lock after a short timeout, turn on stealth mode to hide the app icon if needed, and consider secure cloud sync, only with end-to-end encryption. Also set an auto backup schedule and confirm encryption strength, AES 256 recommended. Once configured, test a simple file restore to make sure settings behave as you expect. Finish by verifying the vault. Open a few items, test unlocking, and perform a backup then restore to confirm integrity. Make sure you record your recovery phrase or backup PIN and store it offline in a secure place. This prevents permanent lockout. If anything goes wrong, such as missing files, first check the app's hidden originals and internal recycle bin, then restore from your backup. If problems persist, restart the app and device, and only then contact support with logs and timestamps to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.